As you know, cleanliness is next to godliness. So today we want to do some thorough cleaning, guys, just indoor cleaning. And I was like, let me show you guys what we'll be doing, because I know it's super interesting. So guys, we're going to do thorough cleaning, like tumetoa vitu zote nje. I'll show you. Then the house, enough our fumigate nyumba, it has already been done actually. So let's just start here. I've started here, nimeanza late, but it's never late, guys. So without wasting time, let's dive into this video, and I'm hoping you enjoy. Come you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Click the subscription button, like, comment and share widely. So guys, twende. We're done with the cleaning. We just want to rudisha back the chairs and the seats. Then think we'll call it a day. It has really been a tough day. Just want to maybe start rearranging and maybe place it and everything in order. As you can see, this is how everything is. Guys, the cleaning is over, though I feel exhausted, I feel tired, not only me, but due to my cotton clean. So guys, we're going somewhere for nice date. Because to make clean, the house is super clean. Then you are like, let's treat ourselves out for lunch. So I'm so excited, and I was like, let me take you along. So guys, without wasting time, 20. We are thinking of going at Spa because of the swimming pool. Tourist, Siritamu, or what's the name of that place? Because just looking for a place where we have swimming pool in Bungoma, so that maybe the kids can go to swim as we take lunch. So we've not decided on the place yet. If we decide, I'll just show you. Yeah, we can give us the place where we go, but I'll show you as the video continues. So guys, we're done. Everyone is ready. We're just leaving. out.